flush, flush.
And for the love of everything sanitary, could she just wash her hands? She's a surgeon.
Yourself, you guys were blocking the same thing. I think you're exaggerating.
Exaggerate, exaggerate.
Yourself, you guys were blocking the same thing. I think you're exaggerating.
Sometimes the damage is something we can't even see.
Cheerful, cheerful.
My wife's side took all the impact. Her parents were in the other car. Some jerk slammed into them, and then they slammed into us.
Jerk, jerk.
Jerk slammed into them, and then they slammed into us. Jerk slammed into them, and then they slammed into us.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
22-year-old pregnant restrained passenger T-boned on her side.
Restrain, restrain.
22-year-old pregnant restrained passenger T-boned on her side. 22-year-old pregnant restrained passenger T-boned on her side. Prolonged extrication in the field. BP 90/50 pulse in the 80s.
Prolong, prolong.
BP 90/50 pulse in the 80s. Prolonged extrication in the field. BP 90/50 pulse in the 80s.
Trauma room 1.
Trauma, no, I'm fine. Really,
Trauma, trauma.
Trauma room 1.
trauma, no, I'm fine. Really, And Daddy, where the hell's Daddy? Mom and Daddy are still alive, right?
They're in the ambulance right behind us.
Ambulance, ambulance.
They're in the ambulance right behind us.
That would be Mama.
Mama? You okay?
I am in pain!
Get off. Get off. Sir, I need to clear your spine.
Spine, spine.
Get off. Get off. Sir, I need to clear your spine.
Hold on.
Baby, okay?
Hold on.
Amplify, amplify.
They're both good. They're good.
Oh, thank the Lord. Thank the Lord, they're all right.
Lord, Lord.
Thank the Lord, they're all right.
Here. He has a closed head injury. Watch for vomiting, confusion, and loss of consciousness, okay?
Vomit, vomit.
Watch for vomiting, confusion, and loss of consciousness, okay?
Yeah, I bet he even washes his hands after he pees.
That's uncalled
Hey,
for.
this is a place of business. Discharge the mother, discharge the father.
Discharge, discharge.
Discharge the mother, discharge the father.
Oh, yeah, I got paged. 911. Pregnant mom, car accident, very serious.
Pity, I've got 3 surgeries on the board.
Pity, pity.
Pity, I've got 3 surgeries on the board.
This nice man is going to take care of you now, and he really likes to talk, so chat away.
Well, it's nice meeting you.
Chat, chat.
So chat away.
Well, it's nice meeting you.
Hey, those people, the ones I hit, they're gonna be okay, right? No serious complications?
They're still checking him out.
Complication, complication.
No serious complications?
They're still checking him out.
Marshall, this is going to hurt a little bit, okay?
My ETOH and tox screens were pristine. So
Wince, wince.
my ETOH and tox screens were pristine. So
Give him room, Izzy. Just give him room to grieve.
Grieve, grieve.
Just give him room to grieve.
How's she doing?
Images coming up now.
Oh, isn't that a teardrop fracture?
No head bleed, though, that's good.
Fracture, fracture.
Isn't that a teardrop fracture?
No head bleed, though, that's good.
Isn't that a teardrop fracture?
No head bleed, though, that's good.
Look at her lungs.
Is that her liver?
Liver, liver.
Look at her lungs.
Is that her liver?
Her body was overpumping her bloodstream with adrenaline, which kept her conscious and alert and pain-free.
Alert. Alert.
Which kept her conscious and alert and pain-free. And so her body relaxed. And the adrenaline stopped flowing, which allowed her to succumb to
Succumb. Succumb.
allowed her to succumb to the full extent of her injuries, which they're catastrophic.
Catastrophic. Catastrophic.
They're catastrophic.
Smell chocolate. And not the crappy processed waxy kind, but the really good Swiss chocolate that you get at the gift shop.
Swiss. Swiss.
With the really good Swiss chocolate that you get at the gift shop. With the really good Swiss chocolate that you get at the gift shop that costs way too much money, but is totally worth it. Try it. And Exhibit B. Tabloids.
Tabloid. Tabloid.
Try it. And Exhibit B. Tabloids.
I'm a strong, virile horse of a man stuck in the body of some weak, sick bastard.
Bastard. Bastard.
Stuck in the body of some weak, sick bastard.
Unsalvageable, I'm afraid.
Crib?
Frequent decels and loss of variability.
Variability. Variability.
Frequent decels and loss of variability.
Baby's fading.
pH is down 7.1. Core temp 93 degrees.
Okay, we've reached a triangle, people. Hands out.
Triangle. Triangle.
Okay, we've reached a triangle, people. Hands out. Okay, we've reached a triangle, people. Hands out.
No, still losing. No, we're not trying for perfection, people.
Just give me a second, Christian, please.
Perfection. Perfection.
We're not trying for perfection,
Just give me a second, Christian, please.
You know, with open like that.
We want her to regain as much strength as possible before we operate again.
Regain. Regain.
We want her to regain as much strength as possible before we operate again.
Short-term memory loss was a result from the concussion. To be safe, I want to keep you here overnight for observation, all right?
Overnight. Overnight.
To be safe, I want to keep you here overnight for observation, all right?
You left me. You chose Addison. I'm all glued back together now.
Glue. Glue.
I'm all glued back together now.
It's a big decision like this. Going back in and sewing up her...
Sew. Sew.
Sewing up her... She's asked me everything. From what color dress she ought to wear to her kindergarten dance to...
Kindergarten. Kindergarten.
From what color dress she ought to wear to her kindergarten dance to...
Jane, get your hands in here and hold pressure.
Look, fetal heart rate down to 60.
Heart's fibrillating.
Dr. Weber, can you see the source of the bleed?
Bleed. Bleed.
Dr. Weber, can you see the source of the bleed?
I'm not going to cheer up for you.
You don't have to cheer.
Cheer. Cheer.
You don't have to cheer. Not so much.
Giggle. Giggle.
You're driving me crazy with the hovering.
Hover. Hover.
You're driving me crazy with the hovering.
And my father never recovered. It's kind of like he died with her, except that his body's above ground, and
Grind. Grind.
except that his body's above ground, and I'm thinking that my luck is beginning to change because I've met you. And you like dogs, and you enjoy pony births.
Pony. Pony.
And you like dogs, and you enjoy pony births.